Equipped for work. Everything for your workplace. Aston Synchronous Fabric Manager Chair. Assembly Guide. Included in the box are seat pad with mechanism already attached, backrest, arms, 5-star base, gas strut cover, 5 casters, 3 bolts pre-inserted into the backrest bracket to prevent them from getting lost during transit, 2 Allen keys, 4 bolts to attach the armrests, 4 nylon washers, 4 bolt caps. To start, take the 5-star base and insert the casters into the holes, pushing firmly until they click. Turn the base over and drop the gas strut into the centre. Take the gas strut cover and place it over the gas strut like this. Remove the 3 bolts from the backrest bracket using one of the Allen keys provided. Next, you'll attach the backrest to the seat pad using 3 bolts as shown. At this stage, do not fully tighten the bolts to allow a small amount of movement to help when attaching the arms in the next stage of the assembly. We recommend you use the Allen key provided and not an electric screwdriver, as this can strip the threads. Attach the arms to the seat pad. Both arms are the same, so can be used on either side. Make sure the nylon washers are used between the armrest and the seat base and the backrest as shown. Again, do not fully tighten these bolts, or it may be difficult to align them with the holes. Once this stage is complete, you can tighten all bolts. Please use the Allen key provided. Place the seat onto the gas strut as shown. Finally, push the bolt caps into the holes on the arms to finish. Please keep your Allen key to check the bolts every 6 months to ensure they're tight and tighten any if they come loose. And there you have it. Your Aston Synchronous Fabric Manager Chair is ready to use. From Equipped for Work. Everything for your workplace.